Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I am Ashna and today I am doing the angel reading for the week of 14 June 2021 and I am using the Archangel Michael Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's see the messages for this week. Shield yourself. So this is the first message that comes in. I feel that this week you might be a little perturbed, or you may feel that you don't feel protected, or you're not feeling very secure, or you feel that there is a situation of evil eye and you're kind of people don't have the right vibe for you. So those are the thoughts that's crossing your mind this week. I just want to say that you can pray to Archangel Michael and ask him to protect you, your home and your family, and only allow people who love you to kind of enter your aura or be around you. So pray that the right people only come to you and you attract the right people, and all the people who don't have the perfect or the best intentions for you stay at bay and are away from you. So it's important this week to do a lot of protection rituals, to kind of draw a boundary around people who are not wanting the best for you, and just ask Archangel Michael or your God or your guardian angel to be by your side day and night. So let's see the next card. Innocence. So I feel some of you are being manipulated and you don't even know. So there might be such a situation where you realize that you have been this innocent lamb, being fed for slaughter. So you kind of feel that vibe. I think that's why that shield yourself card also came in. I feel that you're very pure, your aura is very pure, and you're a pure hearted person. But people around you are taking advantage of your innocence or the way you are, and you kind of realize it. I feel a certain situation happens, or which has already happened. It may happen this week, or something that's happened already, and you're thinking about it, and you realize that I've been taken advantage of, and I am just this puppet that everyone is kind of playing a game with me. So that is the vibe, and I feel that you're absolutely right in thinking that. It's important to again protect yourself and also have a little bit of authority. So if there's certain things that you believe in and people around you don't believe in it, say that I don't I believe in a certain thing and I'm going to do things accordingly. So trust your gut, and just not succumb to other people's domination. A lot of living situations in your life, you'll realize that I'm being indirectly dominated, or people are taking advantage of me and I'm not getting anything out of a situation. You will feel panicked. You will realize that you in the past you have been either tortured or mentally kind of manipulated, and it can also do, and there might be people not directly doing bad to you, but indirectly to manifest their own wishes. They are putting you down. So for them to gain something, your power and aura needs to be less. So you will start realizing and gaining that there are people who are doing that to you, and this could be people who are really really close to you. So be very careful and kind of make a plan to be assertive. So if there's something that you don't want to do, or some rules that you don't believe in, just tell them that I will not do this, and this is how I'm going to live. So if you're accepting of that, good enough. Otherwise, find a different solution. So this is a very important message coming in. Let's see the final card. Believe and trust. So I feel that your angels and your God is asking you to believe, to trust them, and trust them that you're protected. But you also have to take actions to protect yourself, or to be assertive, or to tell the people around you that I'm not accepting of how you are or what you want me to do. So again, this is a very very generic reading, so it will depend on your personal situation and living situation. Just ask for a lot of strength, confidence and courage from your angels. I feel you'll need it this week. You might be a person who might not like conflict, you might stay away from fights, but people around you aren't even thinking about that. So it's better to kind of tell them that this is unacceptable and I will not agree to what you want me to do. um, and I feel this is a very sudden realization. It might be that you're in a particular situation and things are very repetitive, and all of a sudden you go into a new environment and you realize, oh my god, I'm dealing with a lot of issues and people are taking advantage of me. So it's like a very quick realization this week that I need to cut these people out, or I need to tell them to, not enter my boundary and not take advantage of me. So I feel that some verbal conflict will come in, but don't feel scared. Even if you tremble, you need to say what you need to say, or this might come to a situation where you'll start resenting a lot of people, and you'll have to kind of find a secondary situation to deal with. I hope this is making sense, because I can't explain specific situations, but if you can relate to it, it might relate to your living situation, it might relate to your relationship, it might relate to your occupation, your profession. So whatever the situation is, understand there are very smart people around you. They're taking advantage of you. They're trying to act as if they want the best for you, but that is not really the intention. So by being sweet and cunning, they are making sure that they rule and you are abiding by those rules without even you knowing about it. So that is the situation. So I need you to be confident this week, have a lot of courage, and stand up to people you don't agree with. And it's okay, because not everyone believes in the same thing. So if you and another person, let's say for example your partner, you don't believe in certain things, you need to tell them that I will not do this, or I will not abide by what you want me to do. So yes, please protect yourself this week and have the courage to speak out. And I hope this made sense. And if you want a personal reading, please send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.